All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about Milwaukee's all-new angle die grinder. We're talking about Milwaukee's new angle die grinder with an M12 battery. Part number on it is 2485-20 for a bare tool -22 if you want the complete kit. All right, so base size of the tool. This is one of the complaints that everybody said when they saw it online is how big it is. And yes, when you compare it to one of the small body quarter horsepower die grinders, yes, it is small. But when you compare it against one of these big boys, it's a very comparable size. Now, yes, the head of it is bigger and bulkier, but for me at least, I don't care that much. As far as the length, if you put the chucks to the same, the air hose actually is a little longer. So, but no, it's not going to fit in really tight places, but it will do a really good job at it. Now it has 4 settings. Power level 1 is 10,000 RPM. Power level 2 is 1500. Power level 3 is 20,000 RPM. Power level 4, giving it all the beans, 24.5. Now definitely when you're going to use like a roll-lock disc, like I've got a grinding disc on this, definitely want to use setting number 4. If you're using a cutting wheel, setting number 4. Wire wheel, you want to go down to about setting number 2, maybe 3, depending on your wheel. You know, bristle disc, setting 3. Now a couple things is Milwaukee states on a standard 2.0 battery, you'll get about 20 minutes of run time. I can't say whether or not I can confirm that because I haven't used the tool long enough. It's currently at 2 bars, so I've done a good bit of demonstrations with it, so I will report back once I've had more time with the tool on how long it lasts on a 2.0 battery. But we're going to see how it does, and we'll do a little demonstration so you can see how it works. Hope you liked this video on my initial impressions on the Milwaukee M12 angle die grinder. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. You didn't like the video? Give it a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.